Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Menyoo for GTA 5. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to right click on the GTA 5 and select open file location. And now just minimize this and check my video description for these two links. Scroll down and select this Menyoo SP zip and it will start downloading. And second one next to download option, select the download and it will start downloading. Ticketing download and select this folder icon. And now click on this, drag the mouse to here and select here left on right side just to minimize this and open the GTA 5 directory. Just drag the mouse to here and now the game directory on the left side, downloads folder on the right side. Just extract the script hook file. Getting extract and double click on the bin and copy these files. Just drag and drop to GTA 5 directory. Select the replace the file in the destination. And now just click stuff here and right click on the Menyoo SP and select extract all and select extract. And now you just need to select the Menyoo stuff and Menyoo.asi. Just drag and drop to the GTA 5 directory and select replace the file in the destination. And then open the game, guys. After opening the game, you just need to press F8 key in your keyboard and this Menyoo menu will open up. Using the down arrow, you can select one of these options. Vehicle options, just press enter, and vehicle spawner, just press enter. Select sports, press enter. Select one of these cars, guys. As you can see, car images is shown, and after selecting the car, you can actually drive the car, guys. To close the Menyoo menu, you just need to press F8 key in your keyboard. And now you can enjoy the gameplay, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.